You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this beautiful word out of this word. It looks so confusing when you look at it, but it's actually pretty straightforward to pronounce once you know. So let's go through. British English pronunciation and American pronunciation are different, okay? Supererogatory is the British English pronunciation used in the UK. Supererogatory, alright? So supererogatory, alright? You've heard that goes tree at the end, not turry. Supererogatory, alright? British English pronunciation. Now, the Americans usually say it more as supererogatory. Supererogatory, alright? That's quite voluntary, military, all those words that the Americans say "ori" at the end. Supererogatory. Supererogatory, American English pronunciation, or supererogatory, British English. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.